What's up guys, it's Madi and today I decided to do a Instagram controls my day. Guys! We just barely got onto the train track thing. And so I did a poll earlier if I should do it and it got like 82% said yes. So it's part of me controlling doing my day. So leave a comment and subscribe down below. Love you guys. We just arrived at City Creek. My next pool that I'm going to be doing is either Sephora, which is right over here, or H&M, which is up above. And I have some stuff I want to return for H&M, so I'm hoping they pick that first. Okay guys, so we're at H&M right now. I just returned like literally $90 worth of clothes, so it's so worth it if you just return what you're not using. Okay guys, so we just walked out of H&M because we literally could not find a single thing that we liked, either of us, me or Mel. And so yeah, I'm kind of disappointed, but we are trying to figure out what other things we could do, and we'll let you know when we figure that out. So we just went into Free People over there, and there's literally nothing, and so I'm kind of disappointed.
Yeah, get Bin On. It's out on iTunes right now. Let's go.
So 67% chose American Eagle, so we're headed there, but we stopped at Forever 21 first. I'm gonna see if I should buy this one or the blue one. Okay, so the poll for which sweater I should do, because I couldn't decide. The blue one won by 67%, so I'm gonna buy the blue one, and then we're gonna head over to American Eagle, the one that won by 74% earlier. Guys, I'm legit so happy because the sweater was only like 13 bucks. Okay, I actually have on my blue sweater. We're headed over to American Eagle right now. So I'm at American Eagle right now, and I just found these two. This is kind of a, I don't know what color you would call this, like orange brown, I don't know. And then a maroon one, so I'm going to do a poll and see which one of those I should get. Okay, so I personally like this one better, so we'll see what they say. Okay, I've been really impatient, so we're just going because maroon is winning right now, and I want maroon to win, so I'm going to buy this one, and then I don't really know what else are we gonna do. Oh, we're gonna go to the other mall, Gateway Mall.
Get a Starbucks, baby.
Starbucks! We're getting so lucky today because at American Eagle they started their Black Friday early, so this literally was 40% off I think, so I only bought it for like $30, which is pretty much a steal. So thanks for voting for the maroon one. Okay, so for the next poll was between Neaters and The Garden, and everyone chose Neaters, 77%, so that's kind of a huge percent. So we're headed over, I'm headed over to Neaters right now, and it's freezing balls out here, so I'm sorry if my camera's shaky. I'm gonna use my sweater that I just bought actually. We're at Neaters and I just got the bacon salad. Okay, we're literally waiting for the bus and it's negative 60 degrees right now. It is literally so cold. And we have to wait for like 5-ish more minutes and I'm gonna die. And I'm not even just being dramatic right now. Okay, so we were gonna go to Gateway, but we're really exhausted. So we did a poll, I did a poll on it saying go home or go to Gateway. So hopefully people vote go home because I'm so tired. So literally everyone's voted for Gateway Mall. We have 76%. So we're going to Gateway Mall. Thank you guys. Okay, so we just stopped at, what is it called? Abercrombie and Finch, and we didn't want to stay here too much longer, so we did a poll on my Instagram, how much longer should we stay here, an hour or 30 minutes. I'm ready to go home. I have the worst headache, so please love me right now. So literally everyone on the face of the earth decided to make us stay an hour, so 72% said an hour. 72. So, wow. We're staying for an hour. I have no idea what the heck we're gonna do for an hour, but we're going for it. So we've literally been walking around for like, what, 20 minutes, and we have no idea where anything is or anything. And so we finally found Victoria's Secret. So we're going to Victoria's Secret, and sorry it's really dark right now because I'm literally in the dark. But yes, so we're going to Victoria's Secret right now. Victoria's Secret didn't have anything, shocker, and so we are going to go to the train because we've been here for about 50 minutes and we kind of decided that the walk would take 10 minutes probably, and it's freezing. Like, it's literally so cold. I have the worst headache and we're just exhausted. Oh no. 13.
42 and I was like,
oh my gosh. No, so we thought there was literally 13 minutes and I'm at 30 minutes and there's only 13, so okay, we kind of lucked out. So the train finally came and we're headed back to the tram or whatever you call it, one of the two, and then we're going the Forerunner, and then we're gonna be headed home and we'll either go to Starbucks. Let's actually check that right now. It's literally 50-50 right now, so we'll wait until we get back home and see which one it is when we get home. Okay guys, so I just barely got back from Salt Lake and we ended up going on the train south instead of north, so we didn't go to Starbucks. But I really enjoyed making this video, so if you like this type of videos, then leave a comment down below and like and subscribe. Love you guys, bye.